back to another video on the Focus ST. Today is finally the day we get to drive the car. First off, what we've got to do, we've just got to get the new bonnet on, set all the gaps, and then we can get it ready for its drive. So let's go. Okay, so to get the bonnet changed, it's just a 410mm on either side. We need to take off this little bit of a wiring loom as well, and then we can get it swapped over. That wasn't the easiest thing I've done before, but I've lined the brackets so the hinge is up to where he was initially on this bonnet, and then we'll just go from there and see where we're at. Let's plug all this in first. Okay, now that the bonnet's on, to fully set the gaps, we need to firstly remove the front bumper. To get that off, it's 2 torque screws, 1 on each wheel arch, and a bunch of clips, and then that'll allow the bumper to come straight off then. Now I'm just loosening off the slant panel just to make it a little bit easier setting the gaps. It does need to come to the right slightly as well. This 90-second clip makes this look really easy, but let me tell you something, it must have taken about 3 hours to set these gaps constantly up and down with the bonnet. It was worth the 3 hours of messing about setting the gaps. They did look really good in the end, and just to finish it off, it was a matter of getting the bumper back on. Right guys, so we're in the car, ready for its first test drive. It's all warmed up, everything's nice and warm, so let's see what this thing can do. Okay. It's a little bit greasy out, so it isn't the best time, to be honest, but it's got some little poke in it. Got a squeal coming from the fan belt, it looks like. I think one of the tensioners, the bearings have gone in the tensioner. first time I've actually driven a Focus ST, and the drive's quite nice, very comfy. Seats are really comfy. Got the heated seat on as well, so that's nice. Really pulls when it gets into third gear. Third gear, it really takes off. Okay, so now we finally got to drive the car, which was quite impressive. Very impressed with the car, to be honest. We're going to get the kit on, so we've got a new front lip for the car. We've got some side skirts and just some rear, like a little rear lip. I've got this from eBay from a company called M-Force. Look pretty decent on the car, so let's get it on. Okay, so the car's all jacked up now. Got it on some jack stands. I've got the front lip out and I've just got it held up with the jack now, so offer it up, so we'll get it in its right position, and then we'll put it in with some self-tappers. So with the front lip now offered up, I must say it did fit really well, and I'm just using some 10mm self-tapping bolts, and I put about 8 of them, something like that, into the front lip. So I'm just unbolting it here. When I first bolted it up, I left the cellophane on, so I'm just so I didn't scratch anything, so I'm just unbolting it now just to remove the cellophane. Right, that's all the front lip done. Now we move on to the side skirts. Right, let's get this down on the floor, see what it looks like. Nice and subtle, not too over aggressive, just give it a nice looking stance. So get the back ones on now. Right, that's the kit all now fitted. Looks well. Gives it a nice stance. So now we need to give it a good wash. It's absolutely filthy. That's everything done now, so we'll take you around, show you it all finished. Right guys, that's the end of this video now. There's not much left to do now on Focus. I am thinking of changing the colour of the wheels. Let me know if you think I should change the colour, and if so, what colour should I change it to. But other than that guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well, and it really helps the channel out. Thank you very much.